Hey, what's up? This is Mia, and today we are going to get into my design style, Afrobolistic. So, let's begin. So, we have arrived. Today is officially the day that we start redesigning the inside of my home. And you get to join me for the ride. For those that are just joining, first of all, welcome to the family. We're so glad you're here. Secondly, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Helps me out greatly. And I think it's awesome that I'll get to spend more time with you. So just go ahead and hit that bell. So before I start just hammering and building and sewing and all that good stuff, I kind of wanted to give you an idea of what I plan on doing. Not just my design style, but also my color palette and some of the features that I plan on including, or items that I plan on including. So that's what we're going to cover today. And then I'm also going to mention what projects will be coming up next. First of all, what is interior design for those that don't know? I'm gonna meatize it. Interior design is pretty much when the process of giving yourself or your home a certain vibe, style, or feel that incorporates function, that incorporates form, but also feeling and completeness and happiness and balance and all that good stuff. That's what I think interior design is. And that's pretty much how I design my home. My design style, what I've done, I have taken like 3 different design styles and put them in one, which I like to call Afrobolistic design. African, bohemian, and holistic. And it's something I made up. I really love it. It's pretty much a very serene or sacred design style that's based around color, culture, and creativity. I actually have some things that I want to break down to you and show you about each different design style, its elements, and then I want to bring it back all in and show you how Afrobolistic was born. So let's get started on that first. So let's start with the African design. This is a spiritual design style that emphasizes the bond between humans and nature. It uses organic and natural materials to design and create an intriguing and cozy environment. This design style loves to use earthly tones like cream, browns, oranges, indigo blues, and warm reds in its color palettes and in its fabrics. Now, depending on the location, such as East African, West African, Moroccan, or Egyptian, the textiles used can change and the details can vary. As for the decor, in most cases, it's handmade, and it can exhibit things like African symbolism. They are also fond of using animal skins, prints, tribal masks, and woven baskets in geometrical shapes. The lighting is often low and intimate, and the furniture is often handmade with wood, leather, iron, rattan, or straw. The best feature of this design is that it focuses on expressing culture and it can easily blend with other design styles. So the next style is Bohemian. This is a personal and relaxed design style. This style focuses more on freedom and less on rules. The color palette can range from white to bright colors and jewel tones. Considering this style represents freedom of expression, it often loves handmade and artistic items and believes in the art of DIY. The furniture is often vintage that sits low, and the decor is mostly unique thrift finds, colorful pillows, throw, and worn fabrics. The Bohemian style also focuses on maximalism with a purpose, which I love. When it comes to nature, this style loves to bring the outdoors in. It is often known to thrive in houseplants and can utilize mirrors to enhance natural light. With this style, you can design what you love while creating good energy, harmony, and flow. Now, the final style is holistic design style. This style was created to inspire, nurture, and serve the inhabitants physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Going beyond functionality and form, this style focuses on how the room feels more than how it looks. Like the previous design, it implements plants and other natural elements, but it also uses natural healing practices such as color psychology, aromatherapy, crystal healing, and space philosophies like feng shui. This design aims to create a sacred space that restores or rejuvenates the individual because it believes that our environment can significantly impact our well-being. Okay, now that I kind of gave you a summary of each element and each design style, now we're going to bring it all in. Next, I'm going to show you how Afrobolistic came to be, and also my color palette. After that, we're going to go over the next steps, and we're going to talk about projects that's coming up. Now let's get to Afrobolistic design. This is a spiritual, healing, and expressive design style. Its purpose is to embody self-expression, self-love, and positivity to create a sacred space that reflects color, culture, and creativity. This design style focuses on repurposing or redesigning, DIY, openness, and handmade. The furniture used will be a combination of vintage and custom builds. Natural and organic materials will be used for some shelving, cabinets, etc. And the color scheme will pertain a neutral primary color, a bold secondary color, and 2 to 4 accent colors. The walls will be designed with texture, and it will contain cultural art. Most of the lighting will be natural light that will be enhanced by mirrors. However, there will also be low light options for a more intimate feel. The decor will consist of handmade throws, tribal masks, statues, woven baskets, mirrors, pillows, worn textiles, and more. We will also bring in nature indoors by adding various houseplants and other natural elements such as water fountains or maybe even fish. Holistically, we will add natural healing items such as crystals, aromatherapy, color psychology, and more. So let's talk about the color palette. The white will be the primary color, the black will be used as a secondary color, and the other remaining 4 colors will be used as accent colors. As you can tell, I have one palette that has green in it and one that has blue. I haven't really decided yet which one I wanted to go with, so I'm just kind of letting it flow. So we'll find out. So what are we gonna do for next projects? Well, I got a few for you guys. First thing I'm gonna show you is how I repurposed some closet shelves to make a plant wall. Because remember, in the original video, if you guys have not viewed it already, we talk about the house really not having enough shelving for plants, because that's one of my goals, to have more plants in the house and more nature, bring more nature inside. Okay guys, so that is my design style. And I also wanted to mention too that another big thing that I really enjoy about this is that I'm going to do more handmade and more hands-on, and I'm gonna do some thrifting too, because and everybody's different, but I'm not really big on spending a whole lot of money unnecessarily. If I can go to the thrift store and find these items and repurpose, recycle, reuse, I'm on it. So that's going to be another benefit too. We might have some thrifting videos as well. You know, we don't know. It's just going to come as it may. I'm just going to let it come as it may. Thank you for tuning in. That was pretty much my design. It's up for modification. I'm still new to it, but I'm going by not just function and form, but how it makes me feel. So things may be updated, things may change, I may learn some things, but we're making a start. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I would really appreciate it. So you can follow me on Instagram at Mia Hampton. You will see pretty much my projects and just my day-to-day with my family. Thank you for tuning in. If you have anything that you would like for me to know, let me know in the comments below. And if nothing else, you guys stay super-tastic and have an awesome day.